Hello and welcome to our quick tutorial on how to install BTCPay Server integration for Drupal 11 and Drupal Commerce 3. So we have a README here where you can go through the steps in detail, but as requirements you need to have BTCPay Server installed or use a third-party host where you have already created store and ideally configured payment methods like Bitcoin and Lightning. And you need to have Drupal 11 running with Drupal Commerce 2.x or 3.x. If you're upgrading from older versions of this module, you need to uninstall the old version and install the new one, because this one switched from the legacy API to the more modern and fully featured Greenfield API. So let's start. So we assume, like I said, you already have set up your store and you have set up payment methods. So this we have here, we have our Drupal 11 store on BTCPay Server, and we have set up Lightning as payment method. On the installation on the Drupal side, you can install the module via Composer. So Composer requires Drupal Commerce BTCPay. I won't run this now on my local machine as I already have. And then you enable the module. And after that, you are going to configure the payment gateway. Okay, so let's go to Commerce, Configuration, Payments, Payment Gateways. Here you can see we don't have any BTCPay payment gateway yet, so we click on Add Payment Gateway. Here we give the name of BTCPay, does not matter. Here you can see the display name. This will be shown on the checkout. And here we enter our URL for our BTCPay server. In this case, this is our test server. And then you just click Generate Key. Okay, now you are on BTCPay server, where you need to select the correct store, in our case Drupal 11. Then we continue. We give the API key a label. You can see all the needed permissions are pre-filled already. The only thing you need to do is to click Authorize App. Okay, now you're back on your Drupal site. You can see it was successful. You can see the webhook was configured correctly. And now we can go back to Payment Gateways Overview. You can now see BTCPay has been installed here. When we go to our Drupal 11 installation, we can go to Settings, Webhooks, and we see it got created here automatically. And that's basically the whole setup. What we can now do, we can test it, and we go to product 1 in this case. We add our product to the cart. We go to the cart. We go to the checkout. We make sure Pay with Bitcoin Lightning Network is selected. We continue to the review step, and now we click Pay and Complete Purchase, which will redirect us to the payment page. I will take a shortcut here and just set the invoice as paid. Okay, which we now see here, and we can go back to our Drupal site. You can see everything was successful. We can now double check and go to our orders. Here you can see the order, and we can see here the payment was completed, and also in the payment tab we can see it was completed, and here we can see the invoice ID from BTCPay Server. That's it, nothing more to do, everything should work. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to us in our MetaMost chat or on Telegram. See you next time.